I am at one of my favorite garden centers, but it's very early in the season. So let's go see what there is. They're open. Yeah, I want to get some of these. Oh, wow. Oh. Excellent. I am right now at Cierich's in Powhatan, New Jersey. It's very early in the season. But what a grand place to be when it's 50 degrees out. It feels like Florida in here, and it looks like Florida in here. These baskets will be overflowing with the most amazing color. This is how they start out, jammed with beautiful plants. I really, really love this place. Oh, that is a black flower. Look how cute the baby plants are. Look at this. They are just so cute. Oh my goodness, look at these tiny things. Aren't they cute? These are covered with buds. These are big leaves. Wow, and it goes on and on. Oh, these are snapdragons. Amazing. I need a gift for somebody, so I think I'm gonna get a pot of these. I really want one of these palm trees. Look how cool it makes the little picnic area over here. Look, with these palm trees. They're only $60. I could have my own palm tree. I have to have self-control. And it's so comfortable in here and beautiful and very, very neato. I highly recommend visiting Cierich's greenhouse in Patrikios, New Jersey. And this is my haul that I got. I got 2 English daisies and 3 different pansies. This one's a pinkish purple, like a lavender color, really pretty. This one is, well, there's a picture, and this one's a solid, like a viola kind of pansy. I thought it would play off the centers. Oh, here's the label from those ones that I didn't have the label for. But I'm gonna make these a gift for someone. And this one right here, I'm gonna make for myself. And I'm gonna divide the pansies up between the 2. This one's a little deeper. I need to put some more soil in here first. Okay. Now. This on the other side. This on the other side. There. This goes in there. And now. I'm going to water this all in too. I'm making sure that all of the spaces are filled. My dog insists on making me play with her because I'm sitting on the ground. Takes a lot of dirt. Okay. And there's what we made. Thank you so much for being here with me. Please make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and until next episode, bye for now.